Okay, in this one here we are going to show you how to do demo 3, and in demo or prototype 3 what you're going to do is make a worksheet where the students have to um, choose a number. Like here's number 1. They have to take the word and convert the word into the right form, and you can see here's the answer sheet, right? So travel, traveling. Actually number 2 is wrong, I have to change that to go. And then task number 2, they're going to have to fill in the correct missing word, and then task 3, they're going to have to eliminate the answer which grammatically or semantically just doesn't make sense. And that is it. So it's pretty easy to do. So actually I'm going to go ahead and delete this one. That's going to be the one we're going to do right now. Oh, is it open? They say I can't do it. Oh, let's delete that baby. Okay, so to do this, what we're going to do is first choose one that's medium length, and usually probably just one speaker. So like for example, this one, I stay 10:30. This would be okay. Like so, something about this length, that would work. Or the demo we're going to do here is what is your favorite country? Arena. Again, this is about the right length. And what we're going to do is just make a simple gap fill grammar activity. So to do that, first we have to get put everything on a notepad ++. I've already done it. So here I have 10:45. What is your favorite country? I put the transcript here. I went ahead and put the questions, although you don't have to do this. You can make it on your own. And then I have the URL right here. So I just go ahead and take the question, 10:45, and I got that here, by the way. So here's 10:45. Here's the quiz. These are the quizzes that I got, the quiz answers. Here's the transcript, and here's the URL. And then I am going to go ahead and open this up. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit save as. And so it was 10:45, and it's going to be the answer sheet, AN, and it's Arena, that's the speaker, and then just a brief thing of what it is. So this is going to be favorite country. And I'm going to go ahead and put that there. Just go ahead and save it. And then once I've got it, I think I still got that pasted in. So I'm going to put that there, paste that in. What is your favorite country? And then I'm going to come back. I'm going to take the transcript, and I'm going to put that here. Now remember, as we showed in the other tutorials, you're going to have to do it. Take it from the HTML page, and make sure that you put it in the Notepad++ to get rid of the formatting. That's actually very important. So I'm going to go ahead and put that here on the bottom. So they have the URL, where to go and find it. See if I can pop that back a bit. Actually, I'm going to put watch online. I'll change that in the demo, hopefully, so it's a little bit shorter. And then the last thing is just I'm going to have to pop in the questions here at the top. And that's it. All right, so now the first thing we're going to do is number 1, right? So it's going to be the grammar. So let's see, how about number 1 here, going to, so the prompt will be go. And how about number 2? So here, this one I can do is be. That'll be an easy one. Right, and the reason being, I can do be again. Oh, that'll be hard for them. Actually, that would be number 3, wouldn't it? Number 3, historical and buildings. Let's just go with number 4, historical. And number 5 can be beauty. How's that? And they'll actually have a clue because there'll be another beautiful right below it, so they should be able to get that one right. It is amazing. Let's see. Let's do. I might run out of these, aren't they? 6 can be amazing. Have a chance. 7 can be to go for the infinitive, and oh boy, I kind of need one more, don't I? I guess I can just do 7. Stop by Italy for sure. Nothing else changes. So I'm trying to think here as I'd be better. I guess I can do shop. Yeah, I'll just do that. So this will be, how's that? So shopping, we'll make that, we'll do the gerund. Okay, so I'm going to change that to 7 and this one to 8. Now, all I have to do now is take the root word. So go to, it's going to be B, that will be their prompt. 3, it's going to be B. 4, history, I guess is the root word, the base word. 5, beauty is the base word. And 6, shop is the best word, base word. Amaze. And go. Okay, so what they're going to have to do is we're going to put a blank here, like this, on the task. And they're going to have to look at this and go, and they're going to have to change it to the right word. And we'll do that in a minute when we make the worksheet. So then for this one now, we just have to answer the questions. So here it says, she says she loved, right? So we could just go, an easy way to make sure, check it is just go show answers. She loved the architecture, right? So I can go ahead and put that here. Oops, where is it? Right, so she loved the architecture. And then what I do is just go ahead and underline it. I'm going to put bold and underline. And she said the language is beautiful. The reason why I'm checking this is just because in case they go online, that you have the same answer online that you have on the worksheet. Because some students down here, they might go online and check it. Or the teacher might send them here. And she recommends Italy. What did she say? If you are in Europe. Okay. And if you are in Europe. This one's going to be kind of hard, I guess. Actually, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and change it. She said the people are great. No, that'll be too hard, the if question. So this will just be easier for them. Okay. And okay, that's good. So then we've done number 2. The number 3, it's pretty easy. You just have to, make questions like, where do you want to go? Where do you want to travel? And so you have 3 questions. Let's say we have to sleep, to Japan, overseas. So this one actually is going to be not, so here, the example, to sleep would not match. Where do you want to travel to sleep? That won't, that would be a bad one. So that's going to be our example. And how about where have you been? To Europe, abroad. Actually, I'm going to put this one all over. All over Asia. And at the cinema. Okay, so this would be the wrong choice, right? Oh, that's kind of a bad one. I'm gonna say where have you traveled? And I'm gonna change this to by plane. Yeah, that would be a good example of a bad one. All right, and have you been to Asia. Not yet. No thanks. No, but I'd like to. Okay. And so this is the one. No thanks. And do you like to travel alone? Sometimes, and that one's going to be okay. Yes, I love it. And I am lonely. How's that? And actually, we won't put the period, I guess, because the other ones don't have it. Keep it consistent. So that would be the one that's not correct. And let's see. What languages do you like? Let's see. Let's do this one. French. Germany, that can be the mistake. And Thai. And do the same thing here. What country interests you? And we'll just do the opposite one here. So we'll go Thailand, Vietnamese, and I guess we don't have any ones here. I'm going to put, we don't have any here that are wrong, do we? I always do that. I forget the Vietnamese, Spain, Brazil. How's that? And this one is correct, so I've got to change it. And this is the one that's wrong. Alright, so based on that, that's how you make, so that's how you would make the answer sheet. And then in another video, we'll show you then how you do the answers, like how you make the worksheet. But that's it. So you just have to create an activity where you choose some verbs, give them a number or a root word, and then you write the other word that they're going to have to change. And then you do the gap fill activity for the quiz, and then you do this activity just for them to practice eliminating, improper answers. And then of course they'll use this later for talking. And that's it.